The Xiaomi Redmi K90 comes with 6.59 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. Rear camera's 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, plus 50 megapixel telephoto camera, and 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with 8K video, 20 megapixel selfie with 1080p video, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset. It runs on Android 16, based on HyperOS 3. Comes with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB of UFS 4.0 on-board storage, no microSD card, backed by a massive 7100 mAh battery. With 100-watt fast charging, measures 8mm thickness, and 206 grams weight, and colors light blue, white, black, and light purple. Other features includes in-display fingerprint sensor, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C charging, Type-C jack, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68 rating. Pricing starts at 2,599 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model.